scene from a movie that every broken heart knows. We're walking on moonlight and you pull me close. Split second and you disappear and then I was all alone. Woke up in tears, you by my side, breath of relief, and I realized no promise tomorrow. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna hold you like I'm saying goodbye. Wherever you're standing, I won't take you for granted. So I never know when we'll run out of time. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. In the blink of an eye, just a whisper of smoke. You could lose everything. The truth is you never know. Cause you love me so longer, babe. Every chance that I get, most of it is no regrets. Never time to say what we want. There's what we got before it's all gone. Cause no, we're not promised tomorrow. Cause I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you.
You're the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel
I don't think I'm supposed to turn here.
alive.
That's alright. We will work it out.
We keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves. Where our eyes were never closing, hearts were never broken, times forever frozen still.
So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me close until our eyes meet. You will never be alone. Wait for me to come home.
Loving can hurt. Loving can bend your soul. And it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Every player. You are the only thing with us when we die.
Just keep my love in a photograph. Keep your memories by yourself.
For ourselves, where our eyes never close, hearts were never broken, times forever frozen still.
So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me close until our eyes gleam. You will never be alone.
Nobody's freaking here.
It might be in the back there. You hurt me. It's okay, baby. Only words.
How many of your friends? Oh, is that Kristen?
Just hold me. They're back there.